Hey guys, Ralph here, and today we're going to remove our camper battery and we're going to store it before winter starts. So, first thing is we're gonna remove the negative terminal first before the positive. So, I have this 15 open socket wrench. We're going to remove first the negative terminal before the positive, and when you're putting it back, it's vice versa. You're gonna put the negative first before the positive. Once you remove the negative and the positive terminal, you can remove or pull out the battery. Just make sure to take pictures of those wirings so you can have some reference in the future. This is a 12-volt battery, and I'm going to use this battery charger and maintainer just to keep the battery charging for the whole winter. It also keeps your battery charged, and it will make your battery last longer. There's a button here to press, so just press the 12 volt for your battery, and then these two prongs, put the red on the positive and the black on the negative, and it's gonna charge like that. So winter is done, and we're going to install this battery for our camper. For reinstalling, install the negative wires first before the positive. And that's how you remove and reinstall your battery from your camper, and also how to use your battery maintainer and charger to keep your battery fresh. And thanks for watching.